Gimpo International Airport Layout Meeting. Your driver at Gate 3, International Terminal. When you arrive at Gimpo International Airport, you'll find that it's a fairly small and easy-to-navigate airport. Most drivers park their cars in the ground-level parking lot, which is located directly across from the International Terminal. From there, they drive across the zebra crossing and approach the terminal building. Depending on the traffic, drivers may stop briefly at Gate 1, Gate 2, or Gate 3. For your pickup, however, we will make arrangements to meet you at Gate 3 and will be waiting beside Column 3 for easy recognition. Now, where should you go as a passenger? After you pass through customs and claim your baggage, you'll head toward the exit. Gate 3 is almost directly opposite the baggage claim exit, so it's very straightforward. Walk out through Gate 3 and right outside, you'll see your driver and car waiting for you by Column 3. This clear arrangement ensures a smooth pickup and saves you time and confusion after your flight.